city of monuments and cherry blossoms, beyond the tidal basin, the Potomac and the swamps of Georgetown, stood a mighty kingdom where hockey legends were born. But this kingdom was not guarded by knights on horseback. It was defended by the capitals, warriors on ice, fast, fearless, and dressed in red, right inside Capital One Arena. Then, one fateful day, from the snowy peaks of the west, the Colorado Avalanche descended. They had journeyed far to challenge the mighty kingdom of the district. Yet, throughout the land, one question lingered. Were they truly brave enough to face the courageous capitals? Many had come before them, and many had failed. For within those mighty walls lived a team with thunder in their skates, lightning in their sticks, and bravery shining bright in their hearts. Led by heroes who cheered across the vast kingdom, from the valleys of Virginia to the harbors of Baltimore, they battled day after day to defend their mighty DC kingdom. And today, for Kids' Day, even the tiniest knights in training stand ready to take their side. And now, our heroes face a fearsome foe from the snowy lands of Colorado. The Avalanche may bring mountains, ice, and stormy winds, but the captains have fire in their hearts, speed in their skates, and courage that shines brighter than the tallest monument. In this kingdom, only one team will reign supreme, and today, the ice belongs to the Washington Capitals.
announced by 12-year-old Camps Club member, Alex.
In goal, number 48, Logan Thompson. On the bench,
Ladies and gentlemen, the Washington Capitals and RTX are proud to welcome Master Sergeant Jennifer Ruberte Laspina from the United States Army. To Master Sergeant Jennifer Ruberte Laspina and to all of the men and women serving in our armed forces who are in attendance today, we thank you for your service. And now, to perform today's national anthem, please welcome 11-year-old Amira